Hello CAT aspirants, I am Ajinkya Chopre, one of the top educators for the CAT category on Unacademy, and I have a big surprise for you today. But just before we get into the surprise, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. So I've written CAT 3 times, all the 3 times scoring above 99 percentile in CAT 2017, 18, 19, and I have worked for the last couple of years into CAT coaching and training. I've trained thousands of students, a lot of them into top B schools now, a lot of them into their dream companies, and now I follow my passion of teaching on Unacademy. I teach on Unacademy and for the CAT category, and yes, that is something which I have been doing for the last couple of months, right? So I said that I'm going to have some kind of surprise for you today. You know what? Tomorrow we are starting a full batch for CAT 2020 preparation. This batch is going to be a dedicated batch by some of the best educators on Unacademy, and it is going to cover all the 3 sections: VRC, LRDI, and your quant section. And in this batch, I am going to teach the math section, which is the quantitative aptitude section. Now, along with me, there would be 2 other educators, Himanshu Dash and Likhit Maheshwari, both of whom who are top educators in their respective categories for CAT on Unacademy. Himanshu Das sir would be teaching English, the VARC section for CAT, and Likhit Maheshwari sir would be teaching the LRDI section for CAT. Now, the batch name, the name of this batch is CAT 2020 evening batch, CAT 2020 weekday evening batch for full syllabus. Now, of course, as the name suggests, the batch is going to have the entire syllabus of CAT covered in it by toggling between different educators, but yes, it is going to cover the entire syllabus for your CAT 2020 preparation. The timings of the lectures would be in a way that you would be studying from 5 o'clock to 6:30 the English section, then 7 o'clock to 8:30 the math section, which you would be doing with me, and then 9 o'clock to 10:30 the LRDI section, which you would be doing with Likhit sir, right? So if you are someone who has been wanting to prepare for CAT and you are just about starting your journey, this batch is going to help you to go out and ace this exam, go out and crack this exam and do well in this exam. You have close to 6 months give and take remaining for the CAT examination, and I feel 6 months is enough time, just enough time to go ahead and grab that 99th, 99.5th percentile. Now, this course, this batch starts from tomorrow, which means it starts from 12th of May, and I would be starting with the first course, which would be on calculations for CAT 2020. Now, you see, calculations, you need to be quick with your calculations, you need to know the basics of mathematics, and one of the most common things that I have seen as I have taught students for CAT over the years is that when your basics are kind of not in place, you are, if you right away go ahead and jump onto the topics, you are going to struggle with those topics, and you are going to struggle with doing well in the math section overall. So we are going to start with a complete course on calculations. This is going to be a these are going to be 6 hours in 1.5 hours each sessions, and we are going to take a look at what should be the quick calculations that you should know for CAT. How do you calculate percentages quickly, how do you calculate ratios quickly, and everything around the basics of calculation for your CAT 2020. Once this course is done, of course, we will be going ahead and digging deep into a lot of other topics for quant. And similarly, parallelly, Himanshu sir would be doing the same for VRC, and Likhit sir would be doing the same for LRDI, right? So, if you are someone who is really seriously preparing for this year's CAT, believe me, you have enough time, first, and second, that this course is meant for you. This course can really help you go out and ace this exam. You won't need to worry about which topic should I do first, which topic do I do later, what should be the structure of my studies, because you know what, we all of us at Unacademy are going to take care of all the hassles which you otherwise would need to face. Now, one another plus point of this course is that you get to have the CAT-alyst mock test series integrated in this course, which means that while if you do the other standalone courses on Unacademy, you are going to have weekly quizzes and mega quizzes, but this course will have integrated with them integrated the CAT-alyst mock tests, which are the mock tests which Unacademy offers. We have close to 35 odd CAT-alyst mock tests for your preparation from from the point the test series started to your till the time your CAT 2020 comes. So go ahead. I am very excited to see you all in the lectures tomorrow. It's going to be a very fantastic and a fun journey together. I'm quite sure that it's going to be a lot of fun together. If you are new to the platform, I'm just now going to go ahead and help you on how do you get yourself started with the platform and how can you enroll yourself for the platform. So let's get going. Hello, so come on, let's go to the Unacademy website so that we can take a look at this course and I can tell you how is it that you can enroll for this course. Yes, so the link along with this post is going to take you to this screen, which is the page for the batch that I was just talking about. Now, as I already mentioned, the batch name is CAT 2020 weekday evening batch with full syllabus and it starts on 12th of May. I'm going to cover this topic along with two other educators, Himanshu Dash and Likit Maheshwari, right? And you will find the entire schedule of the batch on this same page, and you can use this as a tool. Now, also you can go back and check about the profiles of the educators. Like you can go to my profile from this batch page. You can also go to Likit sir's profile from here as well as to Himanshu sir's profile from over here, and you can take a look at all the courses which all three of us have already taken, and we are still going ahead and doing. Now, if you are a plus student, then all you need to do is enroll for the batch by clicking on enroll, and you would be enrolled and you would keep on getting the updates for the batch. But if you're not a plus student, then if you want to go ahead and take the plus subscription on Unacademy, then you need to go ahead, get your account done, and then you need to once you are a plus subscriber, you need to come over here and then take this course. I'll quickly tell you about the plus subscription of Unacademy as well. So if you're not a plus subscriber already and you are now going for the plus subscription, then you are going to be redirected to this screen, and yes, these are all the CAT subscription models which Unacademy currently has. You can choose to go for 1 month subscription, which is costing currently at 3,500 rupees, or the 3 months, 6 months, the 12 months one, which has a whopping 58% discount currently ongoing on taking this subscription. And believe me guys, with everything that this platform has to offer, plus CAT subscription will be one of the best investments that you are not going to regret, because learning on Unacademy is unique. First thing is that you get to attend live lectures. These are not some pre-recorded lectures or a set of pre-recorded videos which you get, which might or might not solve your doubts. This is first part. Second part, every course has dedicated doubt clearing session. Every fourth session in any of the course on Unacademy is going to be a doubt clearing session. So in case you have some kind of doubts, and in case in the lecture you are not able to clear up with some kind of concepts, the doubt clearing sessions are going to actually help you prepare for these examinations in an all-round and a proper manner. Not just that, you have the access to the entire test series, you have the access to all the different courses which are made on this platform by dozens of different educators. So in case you study one course with one educator and then you are not entirely clear with that, you might still choose to go to other educator and do the same course, same topic all over again, which is a flexibility which the otherwise offline classes are not going to offer. Now, having said that, I have something for you which is going to make this extremely good deal, even a better deal. You know what? When you are on this CAT subscription page, if you apply a coupon code, which I am going to mention right now, the coupon code is Master Ajinkya, MASTERAJINKYA, as you can see, as I am doing currently, and you click on proceed to play. Just before that, if you click on apply, you are going to get an extra 10% discount, which will reduce the price even furthermore. So go ahead and make use of this amazing opportunity and amazing discount that you have. The already good deal becomes an even better deal with this coupon code. The coupon code was MASTERAJINKYA. So with that being said, I'm excited to see you all in the class tomorrow. There's only one work that I feel I do. I make people fall in love with maths, and yes, that is something that I'm going to do tomorrow as well. So Yes, I'm going to see you tomorrow.